After sustaining a barrage of threats from combative war veteran Blessed Bombshell Geza and his acolytes, ZANU-PF-linked tenderpreneur Chivhayo has jumped to shield President Mnangagwa from the planned nationwide protests. Sandapenda mashoko atuko not aiwa Chivhayo watukoneka panguva inoi aiwa ndiye vamwe vari kutoshaikwa sikuzikana kuti vari kupa vachizwa kuti aiwa matax akatarisana navo. This anti-2030 protest iri kusimudzirwa naGeza nyaya yekunangana aiwa nezvigananda vari kuuya vachismagula mastate funds. Don't go subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipira panapa mu new zimbabwe.com vanobudanyira vachiti Mnangagwa is facing mounting pressure from a disgruntled clique of war veterans fronted by Geza, who are calling for his ouster, accusing him of presiding over corruption in his failed government. The protest threats have sent the government into defensive mode, deploying security apparatus to thwart the demonstrations. Controversial business Chivhayo has taken a swipe at Geza, saying the former liberation war combatant lacks political clout and should not be taken seriously. In quotes, Zimbabwe is a peaceful nation known for its educated and responsible citizens, most of whom carry Christian values and are law-abiding. The reckless call for an illegal uprising and incitement to violence is totally un-Zimbabwean. It must be rejected by every peace-loving citizen. At the center of his chaos is an individual who no longer deserves the respected title of comrade, but a chap called the Blessed Geza, a useless, failed politician and fugitive from justice, whose only remaining strategy is to provoke instability from his self-imposed exile. Expelled from ZANU-PF for his dishonorable conduct, Geza has become a political non-entity, desperately trying to stay relevant by leading a criminal cartel of fugitive and bitter opposition remnants, said Chivhayo in a social media post. Domashko anotakwa naChivhayo achiva panapa achiprotecta achiisa mutungamiri wenyika in a defensive mode. Atiri kuona panapa ari kuprotecta mutungamiri wenyika achiti aiwa isusu Zimbabwe tiri vanhu vanoziva kuti tiri maChristians hatidi zveviolence. Anouya panapa achidiscredita Bombshell Geza achiti aiwa haasi tombori comrade nekuda kwezvaari kuita izvi. Mashoko atiri kuona kuti vana Chivhayo vachizama kuzvivanza aiwa paugananda hwavo muri kuona ururambwa naGeneral Chiwenga. Panguva inoi ndivo vava the target these protests. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pena comment section medu mudze mafungiro enyu. Subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.